Hey Ewans, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro. It's just this. Hello. Guys, I literally just rolled out of bed and I was like, Home Alone face. I have a collab to do with Dawn and we got to get it done ASAP. So we are going to unbox for you what we bought during the Christmas season, but right before Christmas. I told you, just got up. We bought some Dior. Now I thought I was almost at gold level. Turns out I was almost at platinum level, and what I bought pushed me over and I got a gift a couple days later. So that was kind of cool. But anyway, so this collab is with Dawn. It's a mother effing collab. Oh girl. Yeah, she's got bedhead from hell. Look at her. What's happening right now? Okay, yeah, guys, there's no... I put on some lip gloss and said, hey, let's do this. Let's do the damn thing. And I think I'm crooked. Am I crooked in the shot? There we go. Okay, that should be a little straighter, but guys, she's crazy. So anyway, remember I tell you guys, when you unbox Dior, always look in the little envelope because there's your return slip. Okay, cool. There's your return label. And then also, there's usually a little card like this that will give you a code until January 5th. The code is Holiday Spirit. And if you want to, I know my friend Jennifer Loves, if you follow her on Instagram, she has a code. She has like a, I don't know, a link. That's it. Oh my God, she can't even think. She's got a link for you over there. If you go follow her on Instagram, she always has the best stuff and the best codes and stuff. So anyway, follow her link and then put in Holiday Spirit at checkout and you'll get some kind of special gift with your purchase. So yeah, always look in your receipts. Sometimes there's nothing, but sometimes there's something. And yeah, what about Dolly, guys? Yes, she's the mother effing queen of Tennessee, girl. She sure is. And she should be the president of everything. So I think this was a freebie. What I actually ordered was the liquid soap of the Ombre Nuit, which is my favorite Dior scent. I love it. And I also ordered some, it's Dior Contour, but it's actually a lip crayon. It says crayon, girl. Lip liner pencil. There we go. And I kept asking Dawn, like, what should I get? And she was, you know, giving me all these different ones. And my God, they were expensive. And then I settled on this, which is really cool because look, it's got a little sharp edge. I thought that was a brush. Oh my God, she knows nothing about anything. But on this end is the color. And then what the heck's this for though, guys? It's okay, yeah, it was just stiff. Girl, normally I like everything stiff. Oh, I walked right into that. Oh yes, she did. She'll do it again. But it's a little brush. Okay, sort of to, I guess, feather in the color. This makes perfect sense. Oh my God, I love it. And it comes with a little sharpener. What? Needed. This was much needed. And of course the soap, y'all saw that. Okay, so let's get to the freebies. Those are the only two things that I ordered because I needed to get to a certain level to get to my next. And I seriously thought it was gold. And then I got an email right after I ordered this that said, hey, you reached platinum. Go back on the site. And I guess I had to check a box or something. And then they, a few days later, sent me my platinum gift, which we will go over together. I'll show y'all my bits and bobs. She don't care. She's like that. You know me. I got this. It's in a very hard to get case. What the heck is this? I can't even remember. This is a freebie though. I got so many things. Oh, how cute. Oh yeah. They were doing the, it's one of those phone, there was a special code that you used and you got this. Okay, so that was my big freebie. I could have put a different code in, but it would only take the one code. Used to, guys, couldn't you stack them? I couldn't stack mine, so I don't know what's up with that. Thing she says all the time, I could not stack them. Yeah, so it's a little Dior pop socket-like thing that goes on the back of your phone ring. Okay, I forgot about that, but yeah, I opted for that. Let's see. And then you get your little pouch. Oh, girl. Hopefully you've got a little pouch. Okay, let's see. All right, come through Dior with some lip. I figured I got the lip pencil. I would get the samples of the lip colors. That way, you know, if I want to later on buy a little lip color that I really like. Oh, I got this again. Bois d'Argent. D'Argent? D'Argent. I don't, French, yeah, Nope, not me. But yeah, I got that, a little, I think it's what, 5 mil sample. Wow, I got a lot. The Dior Prestige in the Capture Total. I love this stuff. And this is some of those like ceramide, like serum beads that you put on your, yeah, girl. Y'all know I gotta stay away from them beads. You remember the bead story. Clang, clang, clang with the trolley. You guys that know, you know. You know what I mean? If you know, you know. Sorry, not sorry. Oh my God. And I also got Dior Prestige Le Creme. A little tiny tube of that. And I got a tiny Rouge Dior lip in the 999 satin. Is it Satan? No, it's satin. Satan, you devil you! No, it's satin. See it? Ooh, girl. I think I already got this once. But anyway, that's what I ordered and the freebies that I got. I love to show you guys all the freebies that you get from Dior. Their stuff is expensive. Yes, but the makeup and the beauty, I don't use a lot of it, but like the soap and the perfumes, I love to get, and I love to get all the free stuff. So I made it to platinum level status, girl. Oh my. Everything in that box just came out. Story of my friggin' life. Okay, let's see. I know what it said the platinum gift was. I don't think they ever change them. Do they ever change them around? It should be some kind of little water bottle thing. I zipped the tie open, you bitch. Now what? What do you want from me? I zipped the tie open on this box, and guess what? It's sealed shut. Mother, holy, why do an unzipping of a box and then the box is Dior? Seriously? Oh my God. I hulked into that thing. You're not getting me today, bitch. Seriously though, the zip thing that's supposed to come apart, it's friggin' glued to the box. You're trying to get me. I'm over here being careful because I don't want to get crap all over my room, but trust me, this room, I cleaned it up that first time I told you a couple weeks ago, and then she went right back to being packed and piled with junk. Okay, so it comes in a nice little box. What's in the box? Oh, okay. Okay, girl. Come through, Dior. Come through. What? The Art of Color. It is this. It is the Dior. Looks like it's just a run-of-the-mill water bottle, right? I can't get it out. Oh my God, that's something she's never had to say. And this is the Intensive Essence Lotion. Okay, we're just gonna let that sit in the box and look pretty because, man, are they in there. But yeah, this is cute. It's kind of like a little rubbery. So, you know, you can take it off and wash it and then put it back. Okay, it's cute. That's a nice platinum gift. Hopefully, now I start over, right? I think it said something like, all you have to spend is another $4,700 with us in 2023 and you can, I was like, it said something like, you can continue your platinum. I was like, that's not gonna happen, Dior. But thank you for letting me play along. This was fun. So hopefully I'll start over because no way in hell. I mean, there's no way I'm buying $4,700 in beauty and makeup and stuff and lotions and potions and notions. No. Oh, no. That's bag money, honey. That's my bag budget for next year. All right, so thank you to Dawn. Go on over. Excuse my attire today. It's great. I mean, this look is, nobody wants this, but this is me in the morning. Hi. Hello, good morning. How are you? Head on over to Dawn's channel. Dawn loves couture, and definitely watch her video. If you aren't subscribed, please subscribe to both our channels. Hey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll wait. Did you do it? Oh my God, girl, thank you. I truly appreciate it. All right, that is it. Hit the like, comment down below, get in my box and roll around. Definitely go in my box, get that link for Dawn's video. Let's see what she got from Dior. I can't wait. I'm going over right now. And one more thing, guys, if you don't mind, please, if y'all see my husband though, woohoo, girl, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Guys, my kid got one of those Oculus VR things where I took a little snapshot. Well, my daughter took a little snapshot of me trying to play it the other night. It was not pretty. Watch this.
I'm Oh, shit. What happened? Oh.
Ooh, yeah, Jolene. Dolly for president, biatch.